On a busy job site, even small tasks like measuring, marking, or organizing materials can take up a surprising amount of time. That's exactly the problem Reekon Tools set out to solve. Instead of sticking to traditional methods, this brand came up with a few tools that focus on practicality. So now, let's take a closer look at Reekon's full tool lineup it has introduced so far. First up is the Reekon M1 Caliber Measuring Tool, a smart attachment designed to completely change how people use their miter saw. Instead of measuring materials with a tape and marking them with a pencil, this tool allows you to simply slide the material under its spring-loaded wheel and instantly get a digital measurement. It clamps directly onto most miter saw fences and displays the measurement on a large backlit LCD screen, accurate to within 1/32 inch. Because of this system, repeat cuts become much faster and far more consistent. At the same time, the M1 works with many different saw types, including miter, chop, cutoff, and vertical band saws, and it supports both metric and imperial units. Setting it up is also simple. Just clamp it to the fence, enter your blade thickness, and you're ready to go. By centralizing the measuring process right at the saw, the M1 not only speeds up work, but also helps reduce mistakes and improve safety on the job site. Moving from saw stations to everyday measuring tasks, the Reekon T1 Tomahawk digital tape measure brings modern technology to one of the most common tools on any job site. While it may look like a regular tape measure at first glance, it actually captures measurements digitally and stores up to 1,000 of them directly inside the tool. This means you no longer have to remember numbers or write them down on scraps of paper. On top of that, the T1 includes an integrated green alignment laser that helps line up measurements quickly and accurately. The readings appear on an easy-to-read e-paper display, and thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, they can also be sent directly to the Rock job site app for sharing and organization. Built with rubber overmolding for durability, the T1 is made to survive everyday construction use while helping tradespeople measure faster and avoid costly mistakes. For those who want the benefits of digital measurement in a slightly simpler form, the Reekon T1M digital tape measure offers another smart solution. Using a patented encoding system, this tool digitally reads the measurement as the tape blade extends and displays it instantly. Just like its bigger sibling, it can save more than 1,000 measurements and send them over Bluetooth to the Rock job site mobile app, or even directly into computer programs, spreadsheets, and other software. What makes it especially useful on the job site is its ease of use. The T1M can be operated with one hand, works in both bright sunlight and dark environments, and automatically measures from the back of the tool for better accuracy. With up to 150 hours of battery life, replaceable blades, and drop resistance up to 6 feet onto concrete, it's clearly designed to handle the daily challenges of construction work while keeping measurements precise to within 1/32 inch. But measuring materials is only part of the job. Keeping everything organized on a construction site is just as important, and that's where the Reekon P1L Tagger construction printer comes in. This portable label printer is built specifically for construction environments, allowing workers to create labels for materials, inventory, issues, and even QR codes in seconds. The device connects to the Boulder Pro mobile app through Bluetooth, where users can choose from ready-made templates or create their own labels with text, images, or codes. Once printed, the labels are water-resistant, tear-resistant, and strong enough to stay in place throughout the duration of a project. They can be attached to almost any surface and removed later with very little residue. Because the labels can link to cloud documents, images, or websites through QR codes, they also make it easier to track information and reduce confusion across the entire job site. Finally, Rican has also introduced a tool that combines two measuring methods into one with the Reekon T1R Range Hybrid Laser Distance. Instead of carrying both a tape measure and a laser distance meter, this hybrid tool gives you both in a single device. With the press of a button, it can capture laser measurements while the traditional tape function handles close range measurements and connections. The built-in green alignment laser projects over 200 degrees, creating a straight reference line across walls or ceilings for layout tasks that can stretch more than 20 feet. Accuracy remains impressive as well, delivering 1/32 inch precision for the tape and 1/16 inch accuracy for the laser distance meter. Because it can store thousands of measurements on a single charge, users can quickly capture and save dimensions without stopping to write anything down. Whether working in HVAC installation, plumbing, finished carpentry, or electrical layout, the T1R makes measuring faster and far more convenient. And that was everything about Reekon's tool lineup for you. Each one focuses on solving everyday job site problems. If you enjoyed knowing about these tools, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos on the latest tool releases and news.